Hawaii Day 5, and we're looking alive.
Over there.
Good morning. Oh,
Matt.
7 hours later, and we're done at the beach. It was pretty fun. We saw 2 turtles in the water, some dolphins doing flips. I got a rock stuck in my foot to take home as a souvenir. Now we're just waiting for Dad to come pick us up on the side of the road. He found us. Mom is going with the one shoe style. Lilo and Stitch shave ice. What would you rate it?
Oh,
What?
10 out of 10.
Okay, me too. Watching the sunset. Goodbye. The show is over. Good night.